Okay, is everybody ready to start this science experiment?
Yeah!
Today we're going to learn about the transfer of energy from one body to another. And we've set up a simple experiment to do this. Now, an experiment is where we make some predictions on how something is going to happen, and then we test those predictions and measure the outcome. And for that, I've got a couple of rulers here so we can measure how high we have the incline and how far the body moves. All right, so we have our lab sheets here where we have our predictions for how our experiment is going to turn out. First prediction will be what will happen when the battery is struck by the marble. What is it, Elbot? What do you think is going to happen?
Move.
Move. Write down it will move.
You mean move?
You can just put down move if you want. Now our other prediction is what will happen to the speed of the marble if you raise or lower the PVC pipe.
It will change.
Okay, write that down. We're going to test how far this ball will transfer its energy to this battery by measuring how far it moves. We're going to make predictions. Is it going to move it farther if I have the pipe higher? Or is it going to move farther if I have the pipe lower?
Higher.
Higher. Okay, so when the PVC pipe is raised higher, does the marble move the battery farther? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then write down yes. Okay, so we have on our lab sheets a data table of different heights of the pipe. So the first one is at 3 inches. And we're going to try it from 3 inches and measure, see how far it moves. Lower, right there. Okay, so when we rolled it down at the pipe raised at 3 inches, it moved the D battery 3/4. Okay, all right. Put it down 6 inches. Don't let go yet. Is it going to move the battery farther or less far?
We don't know. Farther.
Farther? Who says farther?
Farther.
Farther? Okay, at 6 inches it should go farther. Lift it up just a bit. There we go. Okay, at 6 inches, let go. Boom. Okay, let's measure and see how far it went.
Don't touch it.
Oh, it went 1 inch and 1/8. Let's just call it 1 inch, okay? No, don't erase that. Go. It's the next block.
So
we're at 3/4, and now just put a 1. Or you can write down inch next to it if you want to. Yeah, 1 IN. That'll work. All right, now we're going to change batteries. Yeah?
Where is the marble?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't live without the marble.
Okay, I've got it.
Oh, I forgot to watch.
Okay, I'm going to start now the AA battery. Now, compare the sizes of the AA battery with the D battery. This is the AA, this is the D. This is a lot smaller, right? Is it lighter too, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one's lighter.
That one's lighter? Good job, Cree.
This one's lighter,
Okay, I'm going to put it on the 3 just like before. All right. And then we're going to put the pipe on the 1/2 inch just like before. Go ahead and hold that, Vash.
I thought it was
Hold the pipe.
marble ball.
I got it.
I'm the
Okay.
marble guy.
Oh, okay, Rico's got it. You're the marble guy. And now we're going to put it at 3 inches, because that's next on our data table, right?
Did I mess up something?
Huh? Yeah, we'll fix it. Okay, at 3 inches, go ahead and roll the marble. Boom! Wow! Don't move it, don't move it. 9 1/4. Let's just call it 9, okay? Everyone write down a 9 at the next table. Now, we have one more data point to collect, right?
Yes.
Marble.
Hang on, let's set everything up and I'll give you the marble. So let's set this back at the beginning,
And we'll
right
make
there
it
on
higher.
3.
Or we're gonna make it higher.
And we're going to put it at 3, right? So what's going to happen if we lower the pipe to 3?
I thought it was at 6.
Yeah, it's
No, we need to higher to 6.
Oh, we're higher at 6. Okay, so what's going to happen to the battery?
It's gonna go
at 6?
farther,
It's going to farther. It's probably going to go all the way off the ruler, isn't it?
Ruler. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can I see the where's the marble?
right here.
Keep that in your pocket.
Wait, don't put it up there because you might drop it.
Okay, there you go. 6 right there.
Drop it.
And go.
Let go.
Wow.
Wait,
Okay, don't move. We're at 12 here. 12 and 7 is what?
19.
19.
Oops, no, I measured from the wrong end. 12 and 4 is 16. Okay,
16.
I was measuring from the wrong end.
16 inches.
Okay,
So I press 16.
16, yeah.
1.
Okay, so what were our predictions?
It's gonna go further.
Yeah.
Right. Okay,
Let's do it higher.
so if we have,
What was that?
where's the marble at?
What was it?
Who's got the marble? Okay,
What was that?
16.
Let's make it even higher.
16. Okay, so what have we learned?
I will hold on to this.
That
Go to your room.
energy
It is powerful. Go to his room. I don't
can be transferred from one body to another, okay?
Do it.
And
Wait.
the more velocity of the mass, the more energy is transferred. We made our tests. We made the tests everything equal. We started off at the same spots. We used the same amounts. Would we have gotten the same results if, say, we switched halfway through? Instead of using the steel marble, we used one of these lighter marbles?
It would have been a different result.
Right. And what did those? Could we trust those results if we changed in the middle of the test? No. You have to keep everything the same except the one variable you're measuring. And that's how science works, right? Well, at least that's how experimenting works.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Good job, everybody. Put your names on your papers.